Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get Twitter Blue on Twitter. So when Elon Musk bought Twitter, he actually added a subscription based service on Twitter that allows you to get verified by subscribing to the subscription. So the subscription gives you the blue check right next to your name on Twitter, so it's like being verified. But to get it, first things first, you want to head over to the App Store and make sure they have the newest version of Twitter. If you don't have the newest version of Twitter, it might not be available for you. So head over to Twitter and make sure that it's updated. You can do that by clicking on Twitter and making sure that that blue button right there says updated instead of open. Once you do that, you can just head back to your homepage. And keep in mind, this Twitter Blue is still rolling out to everybody, so they haven't released it to all the countries yet, but it should be in the main countries like the USA and United Kingdom and such, but it's not in all countries yet. But to go to Twitter and click on your profile picture in the top left corner. You should see all these options right here. You want to look for the option for Twitter Blue. Once you find it, if you click on it, it'll bring you to this page here. As you can see, it says blue subscribers with a verified phone number will get a blue checkmark once approved. So you subscribe, and as you can see, it costs either $11 a month, or you can buy a yearly pass for $113. So it's a little bit cheaper if you buy the annual subscription, but if you just want to test it out, then $11 a month is fine as well. You can read all the things that Twitter Blue does for you in this thing right here. As you can see, it will push out your posts to more people. You'll get longer tweets. You can put longer videos and higher quality videos as well. You can do all sorts of things, but the best thing I think is that it pushes your tweets out to more people compared to if you don't have it. So if you want to boost your Twitter engagement or your Twitter audience, then this might be a good idea for you. But once you buy it, it'll put a blue checkmark right next to your name, as you can see right there. And that is how you get Twitter Blue. So you just go to Twitter and you go to Twitter Blue and just subscribe to it. They'll verify you after a couple of days as long as you have everything on your account in order. But that is how you get Twitter Blue. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.